welcome to our channel. Today is Father's Day and I will make yummy sandwich and yummy milkshake for my daddy. So let's go. We need breads, potatoes, paneer, sauce, black pepper and chaat masala. And some coriander leaves, carrots, onions, tomatoes and lemons. We need some potatoes and some onions. We put all vegetables in the bowl. Then we need some tomato sauce. We need some black peppers. I need chaat masala. Then we need some salt. Mix well. Mix. Squeeze some lemon juice. Then again mix. Spread the mixture on the bread. It's done. Put some paneer in it. Okay. There's no more. Have to pick it. It's done. Now we put some butter in it. We need mommy's help because it's too hot. And our sandwich is ready. Now we make rose milkshake. Now we need milk and rose syrup. Pour the milk on the jar. Now we need 2 chammach of rose syrup. And mix it well. It's going red. And put the ice. Now add some rose syrup on it. One glass of rose syrup. Now we put the glass rose milkshake. Slowly the milkshake is ready. It's so pretty. Now Father's Day surprise is ready. It's for my father. My father will be so happy for me and so proud of me. Now we will make Father's Day card for Papa. We need a rectangle paper and fold it like a picture. Inside the card, we stick Fevicol and a square paper. Press it gently. And heart shape, we sign Super Dad. Press it gently. See? Happy Father's Day and I love you, Super Dad. Now, we have a big heart shape. We stick heart shape paper on the top. Stick it on the top. We have a zigzag paper. We write Papa on it. A P Now stick on the top. Stick gently and carefully. We stick flower paper. Stick on the top. Put the red star on the middle. Now we stick the stars. See, our fire cart is ready. Father's Day cart. You can also make it. This is my Father's Day surprise. My papa will love it. I love my daddy. I love my daddy. So are you. So are you. Daddy loves me so much. I love me so much. Today is the day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Papa! I love you! चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरी पापा, पापा, मेरी पापा. Thank you for watching me. Hope you like my video. Like and share, subscribe to my channel. Hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye everyone.